Hi guys, welcome to India.com and Bollywood Life. I am Chirag Sehgal, and in less than 2 days आ रहा है over the top Big Boss OTT. इसलिए today we have somebody with us who's all set to get locked inside the house. Please welcome Divya Agrawal. Hi Divya, how
Hi,
excited are
Chirag.
you?
I am hell excited for it because I feel that I've been always, preparing myself knowingly, unknowingly for this show. And as it's a personality contest, and I am in love with my personality, and I hope that people also fall in love with the personality. So
You
I'm
also mean that the COVID-19 induced lockdown has prepared you for another Big Boss house?
You can say that, but luckily I have done a show that was also a captive reality show, and which was even more challenging because we had to survive in a very small space. I think all of that is coming to use this time. All of that experience will count.
What's your strategy for Big Boss OTT? Are you going inside with some strategy?
So there's no strategy as such. I'm just gonna control a little bit on my anger and on I'm gonna work on my tolerance level. And just because it's OTT, and you guys have must seen the promo, so that is quite scary to look at. But then I'm actually quite excited because coming from MTV, I know we have done way more OTT things in life, and I'm pretty excited to be a part of Big Boss OTT.
Do you think it will be one of your weakness or benefit if Varun also enters Big Boss OTT house?
It's my weakness, straight up there. It is never a benefit because honestly, a show like Big Boss or any captive reality show, it's about personality, it's about individuality, and at times it's a very it's a very difficult decision to actually decide for yourself or for somebody whom you love, and that's always gonna be there. So, and I have done a show with Varun, and Varun is such a kid. I swear, I don't want him to stress me out in the show. I just want him to come and see me in the family week or probably, promoting one of his best work. और मैं उसको बोल के आई हूँ बाहर इतना अच्छा काम करना है कि you have to come inside Big Boss OTT to promote your shows or songs or whatever.
So, is it also becoming one of the reasons why Varun and your marriage is getting delayed?
Not really. Big Boss ho ya na ho, koi aur show ho ya na ho, we have some certain goals that we want to finish before we get into marriage, because marriage is a responsibility, and then whatever happens after marriage, it just we just gonna accept beautifully whatever responsibilities comes in our way, and family planning and everything. So if we want to get into there, I think we need to be prepared outside, and एक पहले घर बनाएंगे उसके बाद शादी करेंगे.
That's so sweet. Now we have a game for you. It's called Big Boss Chahte Hain. I'll ask you questions. You have to answer those because obviously Big Boss Chahte Hain. So the first question is: have you watched previous seasons of Big Boss?
Yes, Big Boss.
Who among all the previous contestants is your favorite one?
I think the season 14, if you say, I it's a little weird to say, but I like Rubina and Rahul both. I know they were two teams, fighting with each other, but then I think at times I used to find Rubina sahi hai. At times I feel nahi Rahul sahi hai. So I think I like both the personalities in some or the other way.
Siddharth or Vikas? Whose strategy appealed to you the most?
Siddharth.
Any like his aggression, the way with which he used to deal things,
No,
or Vikas's mastermind?
I really don't consider Vikas as the mastermind, honestly. And for Siddharth, I feel that he never feared to show the worst side of him. And that's with every human. Like, every human has some or the other sides in life. And, you also might have some sides. But in a show like Big Boss, people tend to conceal that very well. And Siddharth was real and raw. And I genuinely liked his game. Mastermind Vikas, I don't find him mastermind at all, guys.
But like why? Like do you have some like do you want to give some explanation maybe?
I don't know. I feel mastermind to nahi hai, but every time I see his game in the show, I feel he's quite confused, and because he plays these mind games, so he at times forget कि तुमने क्या बात की है. So you become like, this is not a mastermind quality. A mastermind quality is actually, fooling everybody at the same time. That's not what you're doing here. So he gets caught up in his own lies and in his own game, and then he gets confused.
What is that one thing you think you'll have to work upon before entering the Big Boss house?
I think my insanity, my tolerance, my patience. I want to collect all the positive energy in the world. Thankfully, it's a very, for the first time, I feel quarantine is so good for you. So good for you. I'm quarantining right now. Tomorrow would be the day I'll be entering the house, and it's going to be like, I'm only collecting good vibes right now.
So the last is, are you looking to make friends in the Big Boss house, or do you think it's the competition at the end of the day?
No. I think kuch bhi kar lo, people are gonna choose the people whom they love, and I'm not here to please anybody, and I'm not here to put up a fight with anybody, because it's the same house. Hum sab saath mein rahenge for a while, and I know how that feels. I won't have my original friends and family, so that is going to be my friends and family for a while, and I'm going to be nice and cordial. But if somebody, like, you have some, at times ऐसा होता है ना कि भाई बहनों के बीच में झगड़ा होता है, and then you wish that, काश ये भाई नहीं होता मेरा, काश मैं select कर सकती थी. So it's going to be the same situation. You have to tolerate that person next to you. There's no choice. So I think I'm going to make new friends. I'm 100% sure about it.
I'm sure people will love watching you in Big Boss house. All the very best. It was wonderful talking to you. Good luck for your Big Boss journey.
Thank you, Chirag. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Divya.